individual integrity, not appearance or social privilege, marks the extraordinary person from the ordinary. So in a world that is changing faster than ever before, you must decide what you stand for and anchor and discipline yourselves in a strong set of values. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together, humbly leading and selflessly sacrificing for those you carry with you towards the greater goal. By maintaining your personal balance, by remaining rooted in your values, by attending to your physical, intellectual, and spiritual selves, you will develop the ability to thrive and to lead others.